Guys, Brian back with a Kaspa update here. Wanted to share something with you guys and go over this chart too, but thought this was kind of humorous here. Crypto influencer named in FTX lawsuit served via a tweet. It's not that, it's at the bottom of this article, but that's pretty crazy too. A crypto influencer named Tom Nash, the court gave these people permission, the Moskowitz law firm permission to serve him legal notice because they couldn't do it any other way, so gave him permission to tweet it to him. And it says here, per the authorization of the court presiding over the pending class action against you in the Southern District of Florida, you have been served. All right. Geez, I didn't know all the people, I don't really look into that too much about who has all been served and who hasn't with this, but as I went down through here, what really caught me down here, the other 9 defendants compromised 7 YouTubers, including Graham Stephan, Brian Jung, and Ben Armstrong, known as BitBoy Crypto. I didn't know he got served. The talent management company that handled the promotion of FTX, Creators Agency, and its founder Erica Kohlberg are also named. Armstrong had missed a court appearance on April 20th to address his alleged harassment towards plaintiff's counsel. Instead of attending the court hearing, Armstrong posted pictures of himself on a beach in the Bahamas on Twitter and openly mocked the order. I am supposed to be in court today. I'm not. Why? Because I don't. And that's unbelievable. Yeah. I don't know. I don't have nothing to say on that. I just thought that was kind of crazy there. And it'll all come out in the end. But, you're innocent until proven guilty in the U.S. Sometimes I wonder, but, maybe sometimes you're guilty until proven innocent. People can be brutal. So we'll see what happens with all this. What a shame. The whole situation is just a shame. But anyway, the daily crypto bubbles here. I wanted to show you guys the hourly because there's our boy Kaspa plus 2.4% the last hour. That Pepe, I don't know if any of you guys are in that, just please consider, and if you made money, just please consider taking it. It's a meme coin. It has no use case whatsoever. So, and I'm not bashing it at all. Heck, I bought Doge before. I bought. I've bought them all too, but there's a point where you really gotta, if you're in the plus, might be a good time to take it. I don't know. It's not financial advice, just just throwing that out there. But anyway, let's get into Kaspa here. This daily RSI is looking like it wants to turn up here. Okay, these darkened end areas, these are zones of support and resistance. All right. If you're just getting into charting or something, if you've been charting, you know what I'm talking about. If you're just getting into it, you more or less have zones, okay? You have, if you just draw one line across there, it's going to get violated numerous times, okay? But you can see up here, we had this high, all right? So you have a zone up here, okay? Down here, we've had support all through here, down here at the lower end, up here, all right? So it's a support zone. All right, we don't have much more to go on that as far as price goes. So that's what we got up in here, okay? Right now we're down at the bottom of the zone, and our 5 waves up, if that's what we're doing, it still looks fine. It was worrying me the other day when this big wick came in, but I had a bunch of buyers step in right there, and they bought that whole wick almost up. You can see, look at the long tail on that thing. That's what you want to see. A lot of there was buyers down there waiting, and they bought it up. So that's great. We have found, it looks like we found some support there at what is that, 0.025. Right there, looks like we might be bouncing. If we go through these RSIs, the 12 hour is down at the bottom, okay, which is great. The 8 hours just starting up. Where's our 4 at? Our 4's at the top, but our daily, like I said, looks like it wants to turn up, and that weekly, man, oh man, next week when that thing, it could turn up now. You know, it looks like it. You zoom in on this thing. Let's pull it up here a little bit tighter. You can see it has a little bit of an arc starting in it, like it wants to turn up. You know, it doesn't have to go the whole way to the bottom. The blue is in the oversold now. You know, so it could just bend right up, and who knows what'll happen here. You know, these crypto markets are crazy. By the time I put this video out, you know, we're up 2.18% as I make this video. You never know with this market, that's for sure. But looks like we have bottomed out here, and it looks like we are on our way upwards, hopefully. Like I said, we're still fine with that 5 waves. Nothing has eliminated this. So if we put that extension on there, you know, from the low to the high, I'm not going to put that wick in there, all right? Well, I guess I really don't like wicks like that, but we'll put it in there just to be fair, all right? You know, not too bad. Looking at a 0.07, if we get the 5 waves up and we get the full extension, you know, if this keeps playing out like it is, you know, if this is what's going on, I would expect a pretty decent move to be coming in pretty soon, all right? Because your 3 wave is supposed to be your longest wave, all right? So we'll see what happens here, okay? Like I said, I would expect, if this is what's working out right here, I would expect a pretty decent move to come in here within the next day or so. We'll just have to play it out and see how it goes. But all the RSIs are getting to the point where we could take off here at any time. So, all right, please hit the like and subscribe, guys. I'll talk to you probably in a couple days here. So, thank you so much.